Well, you've gotten all your permissions, you've gone to your meet and greet, you've talked to your membership manager, and you've done everything you needed to do, and now it's finally time for you to get into that virtual classroom and begin your training. So let's take a little tour of what it's like around the virtual classroom itself. First of all, you'll get to the classroom here from the Grappa Portal page. So this is your class portal page, and there's a button called Go to Class, and you'll click on that button. Our assumption is, of course, that you have already loaded the Go to Training software. You've already tested it all out. You have your camera, you have your passwords, and everything's good to go. So you're going to click that Go to Class button, and what you'll see is this screen. You'll only see this one time the first day when you come in. Put in your first name, your last name, and your email address, and click Join Training in Progress. Now, if you come into the classroom before the class has been started, you'll get a blank screen. If the membership manager or the teacher is in there, you'll see this screen. So don't panic. If you're trying it outside of the normal classroom hours, you'll see a blank here. But when class is scheduled, you'll see the Join Training in Progress button, name, email, click Join Training in Progress. From there, you'll get the web version of the Go to Training website. We don't want to use this software. There have been some problems with it recently, so what we want you to do is use the Go to Training app, and you'll see a button in the upper right-hand corner, that purple fleur-de-lis there. Click there, and that will switch you to the desktop version. So click on that button. You'll move here to where it says Switch to Desktop Version, and when it says Y, just ignore it and click Switch to Desktop Version. Click on that. It'll bring you here. What this screen is telling you is it's telling you that you can use a dial-in service. You can call a phone bridge, or you could use the audio that's built into the system that goes over the internet. The audio has been working just fine for everybody, so just go ahead and click Switch to Computer Audio, and that will bring you finally into the classroom itself. After you click Use the Audio, you'll see a microphone and a green bar. Speak into your microphone and you should see the green bar moving up and down. And click Test Your Sound and you'll hear, and you can be sure that your sound is working correctly. If one of those is not working correctly, you can see the drop down underneath. Those will pull up the drivers for other microphones and other speakers on your system. When you've got that figured correctly, click OK, and now you're in the classroom. So this is how the classroom will look when you first start. If the class has already started, there'll be a rotator playing, which will be some music and some pictures from other Grappa events that we have to help you pass the time while you're waiting for the class to start. You'll also see some slides, and if the MC is in the room or the teacher is in the room, you'll see their camera on the left-hand side. So what you have now in front of you on the right is your control panel for the training class. Right now the audio tab is open and we already went through those settings. You can go in there and set your microphone to different settings and set your speaker to different settings anytime during the class. When you set up the webcam settings, which is the next button up, it lets you open up your webcam and you can get it looking just the way that you want. We really want everyone to have a camera working. If there's more than 6 people in the room, we can't have all the cameras on at the same time, but the Master of Ceremonies will be rotating the cameras so that everybody gets a chance on screen. Some people are shy, I know, but it's very important that everybody interact and take part in the training class. So the webcam settings are here in the upper right-hand corner as well. Then you can look at the attendees, and this will let you see who else is showing up. And there's a chat box there so you can chat with the teacher, with the MC, or with your tech support, or with other students. When you went through your meet and greet, you should have been checked out on how all of that works. Okay, well that's what it's like. We hope to see you in the classroom. Have fun and learn lots.